Yep, this is a little LED light that you see there through this painting, and backside of the canvas, I know it's a little different. And here we are. Let's switch this thing on, and here we go. Ooh, a little light action there, and yeah, I don't know. It's a little cheesy, yeah, maybe. And yep, this is the backside of the canvas, as you can see, as we begin this painting story for you. A little blue, ultramarine blue and lighter blue, followed by a white color and a little yellow. Sunset is what I was trying to depict through this painting. And backside of the canvas, I know it's a little different. It's a little strange. I think this is one of the first paintings I've done where I try to intentionally paint the backside of it. And now that I look at this video once again, I should probably primed it with a little primer, applying the ultramarine blue here for the ocean part of it. But yeah, nowadays, my tendency is more towards studying more colors. I always feel like my color is the way I work with color. I need to I need to get better. That's basically what I need to be. So, but it's part of the journey. So this is basically a sunset scenery that I'm depicting for you guys, and a little brush with a little mountain on by the sunset there. And here we are, a little bit of drill action. This little piece of wood that I picked up outside of my house, and this is a skewer, as you know, the little skewer thing for the kebab thing that I stole from my wife's kitchen, using a crazy glue to glue this thing together. If you're wondering, well, what am I trying to make here? But using the right tool, using the wrong tool here, using the scissors to cut this thing, and another piece of wood that I found. I'm gonna crazy glue this. Now that I look at it, I probably could have used the hot glue gun to make things a little bit easier for my fingers, but yeah, I just didn't have the right tool for whatever reason that day. So the skewer thing that I'm just kind of cutting it into to the right size, and from my memory, trying to basically recreate in a 3D of this nice little place that I found back in the day, a couple of years ago, when we were on a vacation with my family. North Shore, a swing that we found hanging on by a tree on this beach across the street from this hotel that we stayed. But I'm not sure if it's still there or not, but North Shore, somewhere there, it was a nice little swing. But if you stick around, I'll show you a little bonus feature about this trip that you can see. And here I am getting this LED light to I thought just to add some little bit of highlight to this swing, I'm gonna add something little something special maybe. So I'm gonna try to wrap this LED lighting that I got from Amazon, and just slowly. You gotta have a lot of patience for this. I realized I thought I could easily finish this soon, but it took me longer than what I expected. And another crazy glue here. I know I probably should have used a hot glue gun. Would have worked better, but and I wanted to cover this painting. I wanted to give it a nice little frame, and frames are so expensive. Expensive. Michael's, wherever you go to other these art stores, yeah, frames, especially if you try to customize it, it's kind of expensive. So I thought, I have this old brass wood that I can put together, and here's my X-Acto knife. And be careful there. I wish I had a really laser cutting, precision cutting machine for this, but I do not. So I'm going to use my X-Acto knife, trying to be patient, and a nice little wavy action. Most of the frames, inside of the frames that I've seen, is basically a straight line, and personally, I don't know. I don't like straight lines. So the little wavy line is kind of complements the painting that I'm painting for you on the sunset of the sunset ocean. A little putty thing that I got from Home Depot to fill out those gaps that you saw, and using a little paintbrush to paint this, cover that thing. A rope of this swing, and titanium white is what I'm using here, just to see. Just cover it nicely. And I'm using a crazy glue here to apply this frame on top of it. But now that I look back at it, I'm thinking I'm probably made a mistake here. I probably should have used some sort of magnets to snap in and out. So just in case if I want to, down the road, want to clean the inside of the canvas, it's much easier for me. But I was not thinking about that at the time. I just wanted to finish this piece. So I'm just crazy gluing it on top, eyeballing the position a little bit, making sure that sort of fits into what I'm trying to achieve visually here. But a lot of mistakes as I look at this video. And as you can see, this Velcro thing, it's a long strips of Velcro with either side with a little sticky adhesives on it that I got from Lowe's the other day. And just I'm gonna attach this to this LED switch, and if I can peel this off on the other side, there you go, that's pretty good. And just I found the right place on the back of this brass wood frame panel, and I think the basic work is pretty much done here. So that's, you can just turn it on and off, and you can always switch out the batteries if you need to. There you go. So we are using, here we are back to our titanium white. So I'm just going to prime this frame. And also, if you like, some people like this kind of wood look. So instead of priming this with white, I guess you could also, wood staining thing you can put on to give that nice little wood finish look. That's also a very nice kind of way to finish out this framing. So it's easier visually nice to look at when you're trying to place it on a wall. So any painting that I think you should be able to, when you create it, you should always think about it, the end result. Will I be able to hang it there, hang it in my office or cubicle or the kitchen wherever, inside the house, all these walls, for people to look at, and for you to look at, and to kind of see, that's kind of looks nice, and makes you feel pretty good that you have made something at the end of the day that you can kind of admire, whenever you are in the house. So I'm just adding some texture, more layers to this white. So I would have now that I look at this again, I would probably add a more neutral brown color to it, to give that more of a home decor feel to it. But with this particular piece, I decided to just kind of use more of a layering technique, texturizing a little bit more, just keeping this color of the frame white with my palette knife would be good. Just one way, there's so many other different ways, of course, but at the end of the day, that's what I decided to do. And here we are. Let's switch this thing on, and here we go. A little light action there, and yeah, I don't know, it's a little cheesy, yeah, maybe, but I was just trying to pursue a different way of experiencing art. And am I really 100% satisfied? No, but it's just a part of the process. And for today, I'm pretty happy with this piece, and thank you for watching. And here's a little bonus clip of the trip that I told you about. My daughter found this swing, North Shore, just loved it, and I wish you can go back once we go back to see. Hopefully it'll be there still. And if you know what this place is, comment below. And thank you for watching this video.